these baskets, this is what I use for grocery shopping. I borrowed these from the grocery store, and basically when I leave the house, I take one of these, I put it in my lap, or when I go to the grocery store, I put it in my lap, and then I go and I do all my shopping and I fill it up with everything that I need, and then I take it to the cashier. I put the whole thing up on the rack thing deal or whatever, and then they ask me paper or plastic, and I say, actually, can you just put everything back in that bag? The only thing you need to put any kind of bag on is the raw meat. And then they just take that and they fill it back up with stuff, and then I put it back on my lap. It's really easy for me to get off of my lap into the backseat of my car, and then back onto my lap, and then back in here, and then it's really easy to unpack, as opposed to like a bunch of bags, which is just a bunch of extra steps to go through, or trying to manipulate a cart, which is I think annoying and hard. So don't see if you can use one. I mean, like they don't care, like, you know what I mean? But those are really nice to use.